Hi, Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the petty cash, the petty cash control account, petty cash book. Okay. So as usual, just follow my mouse. What is a general ledger? A general ledger is where all financial transactions of a business records are kept that affect a related group of item entries entered throughout the months in the year. For example, inventory stock, purchases, sales, supplies, also known as accounts payable, and customers, also known as accounts receivable. Cash book, petty cash, assets such as computer and cash register, etc., VAT or GST, and journals. The petty cash control account, March, the month of March, petty cash book, cash is taken from the bank. The petty cash is kept for small miscellaneous expenses, paid in cash, also for small cash sales, and usually the cash is kept in a small cash box or safe. The cash is used for items such as staff refreshments, cleaning, petrol, and casual wages, etc., as well as small cash sales bought by customers who are just passing by. So customers who just come past. All right. Okay, very important. All cash receipts for items bought or sold are entered in the petty cash book the same way it is entered in the cash book. The cash box at the end of the day must be locked away in a safe in the evening at night. All right. Okay, number one, deposit from the bank. That's the cash taken from Absa Bank, which is $45. Two is milk, $5. Tea is $3.50. Cleaning is $7, and casual wages is $20. Now, petty cash book. All right. On the debit side, the milk, there's no VAT on these items. Milk is $5, tea is $3.50, cleaning is $7, casual wages is $20. And then the cash taken from the apps from Absa Bank, from the cash book, was $45, goes on the credit side. Okay, so we add up the totals of the credit side, we get $45, and on the debit side, we get $35.50. The net total, $45 minus $35.50 equals $9.50. We carry forward the credit total into April, and we debit the petty cash control in the trial balance sheet at the end of the month. There it is, petty cash. Very important to understand petty cash for small miscellaneous stuff. All right, so please, if you like this video, like it. Please share it with everybody you know. And please subscribe to our channel. We're doing all these little one-on-one breakdowns of petty cash, books, VAT control accounts, all of them, just to give you a better idea in a nutshell how these accounts will actually work. And we're also doing a course. We've done the course, the one-on-one, the bookkeeping, Mel's bookkeeping course, which is on our site. Please go watch that for an in-depth course on bookkeeping. Teach you everything you need to know on bookkeeping. Everything you need to know. All right, so please subscribe and go and look at all of our videos. All right. So, and also leave comments and suggestions. Comments are very important. Questions, because I mean, this is an interactive thing. We're helping you improve your bookkeeping skills, and we're teaching you bookkeeping. So it would help if if you give us some questions. We want to know if you understand what we're doing here. All right. So yeah. So this is Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel. Until our next one-on-one video. Good day on you.